guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is a new Gleemade wig. This one is the KONYALA wig, and this one is a U-part wig, and it's in our beach blowout texture. It has 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. I am in love with this wig because it matches your natural hair texture. My hair is 100% 4C natural. I do have brown dye in my hair, so my hair is slightly processed through dye, but not through anything else. It's not relaxed or texturized in any way. So this hair really does match relaxed hair, 4C hair that's straightened or just even blown out. You don't even have to straighten your hair with this. You can really just blow it out or just stretch it, and it will match this blowout texture. That's why I love this beach blowout. So this wig that I have is in 26 inches. I'll leave links down below to where you can grab this wig if you're interested. It is available on my website from inches 10 all the way to 30 inches, and this one is the 26 inch. Now what I did was part off the front perimeter of my hair and then a middle part section of my hair. I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear a side part as well, so I decided to just section off a section for a side part in case I did decide that I wanted to wear that. I ended up not wearing a side part, but I just wanted to have it in the braid pattern just in case. So just to relieve tension, I always braid the nape of my neck straight across. I feel like it just relieves tension and just makes my braid down a lot more solid and more comfortable. And then I just went ahead and did cornrows just straight down. Well, I guess the cornrows are a little like slanted down. And then I went ahead and started installing the U-part wig. So there's so many reasons why I love this U-part wig, but the main reason is because it's so easy and so simple to put on. It's literally the fastest wig I own to put on, and I just keep reaching for it because it's just that easy to install. You literally just clip the back, you clip the sides, and then if you need to, you can readjust the clip at the top and the back of the part, and that's pretty much all you have to do is just clip the back and brush your hair down, and you're literally good to walk out the door. And I absolutely love that about this wig. It's just so easy and it looks so natural. You don't have to fool around with lace. You don't have to fool around with closures or anything like that. So of course, if you struggle with like any edge, with not having edges or hair loss or anything like that, this may not be the best option for you. But if you are going for a natural look and your hair is full enough to cover this unit, this might be a really great option for you for every day. Now, of course, you don't have to get the 26-inch length like me. I'm extra AF. So I'm always gonna get super dumb long hair, but in a natural length like 16 or 18 inches, I think this could easily be an everyday wig. So you can flat iron this unit, and then if you wanted to, you can add wand curls or regular curls, whatever you want to do. Even though it's a beach blowout texture, it does hold a curl and take a curl, so you can also do this. But my favorite way to wear this unit is a middle part, flat iron straight down the middle. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys keep watching. So the flat irons that I use is the Babyless 1 inch. And then I went ahead and grabbed my Gleemade wax stick. This wax stick is perfect for blending your natural hair into extensions, and it's also great just to hold down flyaways, and it smells amazing. Trust me on this. Also available on the Gleemade website is the Precision Rat Tail comb. I absolutely love these combs. You can get them in a 3-bundle pack. They're awesome. They're great for like braiding, for just getting those really nice parts, and for sectioning off your hair, detangling, all that good stuff. So definitely check out the Gleemade wax stick, check out the Gleemade Precision Rat Tail comb, and be sure to check out this wig. It's the KONYALA Beach Blowout U-part wig. So this is one side completely done. I absolutely am obsessed. I love how this wig looks. It just blends and just looks great. Now I'm sure you can tell I did bleach the top of this unit to match my chocolate brown hair. And I just bleached the top layer of this wig. I didn't go through and bleach the whole thing. But I just like how soft the color looks and how well it blends with my hair. And I just love this wig when it's blown out and flat ironed. It just looks so pretty. So if you guys want to check out this unit, I will leave links down below, as well as a coupon code JessMonique, and it'll save you money at checkout on Gleemade.com. So you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this hair. I went ahead and did my makeup, changed my clothes, got a little cute for y'all. I absolutely love this wig. This wig is just so easy to throw on and go. I know it seemed like a lot of work, but you literally put that work in one time with blow drying it and flat ironing it, and this wig is literally good to go until it's time to be washed again. Usually I wash this wig every 4 to 5 days. Whenever your wig starts to get a little stiff or starts to feel like it's got a lot of product buildup, it's probably time to just wash and deep condition the unit and let it air dry. I wear this unit straight after being air dried, but I also wear it blown out and flat ironed as well. So it looks great both ways and blends great both ways. I get so many compliments on this unit, and I just love how easy it is to wear. I'm really shifting my mind and my life to just things that are just easier for me to manage. And sometimes you do want that lace look. Like that lace look just gives you that sleekness that you really want, but sometimes you don't feel like putting in all that work, to be honest. And so this is a great alternative, a great option, especially with the winter months coming up. Once you blow it out and flat iron it, it will last, and it'll just be a great other option to add to your arsenal. So Definitely check the links down below so you can grab this unit, and I have a coupon code for you guys, so don't miss out. And thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, share this video with a U-part wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.